Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do this Diwali glam look. I'm going to show you step by step how I got it, and if you want to know how I got this, then please keep on watching. I'm going to start with this Wet n Wild primer. I'm going to apply this on here, 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 here and here. Next, I'm taking this Wet n Wild Coverall foundation in the shade E819, that is medium. I'm going to take a little bit on my hand and then apply it onto my face. Next, I'm taking this Mascara Milano concealer, liquid concealer in the shade Natural, that is 105, and apply it underneath my eyes. As usual, I'm going to blend this with my fingers. Next, I'm taking this yellow shade from the Wet n Wild contour palette and apply it underneath my eyes. I'm not going to apply any powder yet on my face because I'm going to allow the foundation to set on its own and then apply the powder, because normally what happens is when you directly apply foundation and right next you apply powder, using your brush you might move your foundation, so you might get streaks on your face which does not look very nice. So I'm going to let it set on its own, and I'm gonna do my eyebrows and then I'll be back. So I just lightly filled in my brows, and now I'm going to take this Essence Brighten Up powder and use it very lightly on my face to set the foundation. Next, I'm again taking this Wet n Wild contour palette and I'm going to take this darker shade and contour my face. Next, to prime my eyes, I'm taking this Catrice Liquid Camouflage Concealer in the shade 010 Porcelain, and apply it on my eyelids. I'm going to apply the Essence Brighten Up powder on this. Okay, so for the eyeshadow, I'm going to take this Morphe and Jaclyn Hill palette. It's this one. And I'm going to take this shade Axis and apply it onto my crease. Next, I'm taking this shade Smooth Criminal and apply it to my outer V and the inner corner. Next, I'm taking this shade Con on my lid with my finger. I think this is a very easy look and that everyone can do it. It's really simple, but it looks great once you do it. Okay, next I'm taking this eyeliner, which is by Vaten. I don't know. I still don't know if I'm pronouncing it right, but that's okay. This is in the shade 01 Black, and I'm going to apply it on my eyes, which you guys clearly didn't know. Next I'm taking this Sephora highlighter. Next I'm going in with this Vaten Cream Super Stay Lip Crayon in the shade 401. So guys, this is the final look. I wore this pink sari. I don't know if you can actually see it or not, but I will for sure put up pictures so that you know how I dressed up. And I wore these jhumkas, I put on a bindi, and you can wear some bangles and you are good to go and you are Diwali ready. So I really hope you guys like this look, and if you did, please give it a big thumbs up, and make sure if you don't follow me on Instagram to go check out my profile. I will link the link down in the description box below. And I think I'm gonna do more Diwali looks. Like, this is the glam look. If you want a normal, not so glam look, like a soft glam look, I am planning to do that as well. So let me know in the comments down below like what you want to see. And you know the drill. Like, share and subscribe, and I wish you all a very happy Diwali in advance. And I hope you have a great one, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye. Ta-ta.